While there's a variety of sewing machines available, they all operate on the same principle, allowing you to create your projects quickly and precisely. Did you know the stitch your sewing machine makes is called the lock stitch? It's incredibly common in both domestic and industrial machines. Ever wonder why? Let's find out. This is part 3 of the Sewing Machine Overview Stitching Mechanism. In this lesson, we'll delve into the lock stitch, examining its formation, unique characteristics, and briefly touch on some key differences with other sewing machine stitches. The lock stitch, known for looking the same on both sides and for its versatility, is the most commonly used type of stitch in sewing. It's formed when the sewing machine's needle rapidly moves up and down, piercing the fabric and creating a loop with the top thread. This loop is then caught by a hook mechanism below the needle, which wraps it around the bobbin thread, resulting in a knot that locks the two threads together. These continuous knots form a secure line of stitches that hold the fabric together. The lock stitch is prized for its uniform appearance on both sides, making it suitable for a wide range of sewing tasks. It's flat, flexible, and reliable, ensuring that stitches won't easily unravel during use. This stitch type is particularly valuable for sewing various garment components, finishing entire garments, and working with different materials. In comparison to other stitches, the lock stitch consumes the least amount of thread and offers minimal stretch in the seam. However, it tends to operate at a slower pace due to machine speed and the need for frequent bobbin refilling. To further explore the practical application of the lock stitch, consider checking out our courses: Introduction to Seams, Machine Stitches, Seam Finishes, Edge Stitching Techniques, and Stitching Intricate Seams. Having examined the lock stitch and how it's formed, we now understand that it's created by interlocking two threads, resulting in a strong bond between fabric layers. Now, let's delve into sewing machine accessories, essential additions that will elevate your stitching to the next level.